The 1969 Porsche 917 is a bucket list car for sure. Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars. And as you know, in our recent videos, we've been talking about kit cars. We've been looking at different models of them. We've been looking at the history of kit cars. And when I come across one that's for sale, I have to let you know about it. And I found an amazing one. Now, it has a long list, a great description that the seller put, so I'm actually going to read that to you. And I want you to see I found this bad boy right here. This is a 1969 Porsche 917. Now, the seller says it's a 917 specially constructed vehicle built by Elite Enterprises in Minnesota. He says, I am the second owner. The vehicle was built in Minnesota and spent most of its life in Arizona, where it was registered as a 1969 Porsche. The original owner brought it to California shortly before he sold it to me. I obtained the California title and it is currently registered. Title is clean and the car has never been involved in any collisions. It is California smog exempt, no rust on vehicle, and the fiberglass body is in great condition. The vehicle is currently being sold in Salinas, California. Now, the vehicle has 27,000 plus miles right in there, 27,000 original miles, and the vehicle is number 330 of 667 built. The motor is powered by a VW 1600 dual-port engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. A mechanic and I have worked on the vehicle for the last few months. We dropped the engine and transmission and now runs very good. And we've added and done the following things to the vehicle. The list is pretty extensive of all the stuff they have done there. I'll just run that across on the screen. You'll have to check that out. It says, I am sure that they're forgetting something that they have done to the vehicle. I also have other parts I have purchased for the car that I still have not installed. The following are things that I want to work on or repair. There's a chip approximately the size of a nickel in the passenger side wheel well. The gauges need lubrication. The car needs new hazard light relay. The above are easy fixes. I just haven't had time to get them done. The car is complete and all it needs is a new driver. Can't go anywhere without people stopping me to take a look at the car, and they take a lot of pictures. So how much are they wanting for this Porsche 917? Only $11,000. So you have to check that out. I'm going to put the link in the description. I found that online. What an amazing car. What a great replica. Built by Elite Enterprises in Minnesota. So if that's the one you've been looking for, well, you're in luck because we found it. It's in California. It's just waiting for you, and it's only $11,000. If you've come across a cool kit car, or you have one for sale, or you're in the process of building one, or you've already built one, be sure to send it my way. We want to talk about it, we want to highlight it, and we want to show it to everybody. So check this one out if you're looking for one right now. But yeah, be sure to send me information because we want to see yours. Remember, if you're playing if this is July 2020, we're giving away a $200 Amazon gift card. So all you have to do is email me at Cory at CoryTurnerTalks.com, and in the message, tell me the name of the car that we're talking about today. That's going to be the secret car, and that will get you entered to win the Amazon gift card. Thank you for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.